What are keys in React? Do they open something?
Not exactly. In React, keys help React keep track of things when showing a list of items.
A list? Like a shopping list?
Yes, imagine you have a list of your favorite toys. Each toy has a name and a special tag so you don't mix them up.
Oh, so the tag helps me know which toy is which?
Exactly. React does something similar. When we show a list of things, React needs a way to know which item is which. It uses keys to track them.
Why does React need to track them?
Because when something changes in the list, like removing, adding, or reordering an item, React needs to update only the changed items, not everything.
So keys help React update things faster?
Yes, let's say we have a list of names. Each li element has a key, so React knows which item is which.
Oh, the key equal index is like giving each name a special tag so React can track it.
That's right. But sometimes using an index isn't the best idea. If the order changes, React might get confused. It's better to use something unique like an ID. Now, React knows exactly which item is which, even if the list changes.
So keys help React recognize items so it doesn't get mixed up when things change?
Exactly. It makes updates faster and prevents mistakes.
That makes sense. Keys are like name tags for each item so React knows what to keep, remove, or move.
That's a great way to think about it.